sasabihin sa'yo? Sabihin sa'yo, may cosplay ka?
Cosplay.
Parang doon sa may bandang baba, may pagka-Roman inspired, ano? And you'll just love the colors, di ba? Very, very colorful.
Yan, nakita nyo naman, di ba? Sabay-sabay sila. I'm sure, ilang days sila na pinag-practicean to para dito sa event na to. Ano, exhibition, di ba?
Mamaya yan, ang ating drill competition na gaganapin sa Strike Gymnasium of our Bacoor Government Center, which is the new home of every Bacoreño, yung ating Bacoor Government Center. Kaya naman po, we are inviting yung ating mga kapwa-Bacoreño para din po mabisita rin yung ating Bacoor Government Center. We have the 8 buildings sa Bacoor Government Center. Isa dyan na our City Hall building, which is in the center of Bacoor Government Center. At syempre meron din tayo yung ating Strike Gym, yung ating National Government Center. They have yung ating Sakibuhay, the Copenhagen City Health Office, our Schools Division Office ng ating DepEd Bacoor family, our Senior Citizens Office. Ayan po, ongoing construction po ng ating mga offices. And kasama din po natin